It's your boy Face with another vlog. You know, today I'm going to this other show. We are going to this other show.
What you said, show.
Show. You see? So I'll try to be like vlogging as much as I can, cause it's a really like chilled event, stroke show. You know? Yeah. So like I also like didn't bring my mics because they are making like this other sound. I don't know, maybe it's my phone or it's the mics, you know. So right now I'm on the way to the show. We on the way to the show. Hi, you see? So like I try to be vlogging as much as I can, you know, and we finna go there as well. So yeah, I think I'll start from the entrance. Oh, it's a pambi, which I will have to vlog. So we here by the show, you know, like as you can see, like everything is going okay. Let me switch the camera and then I'll show you what's going on. Man, this out you're getting like car time. Maybe you should do that. Yeah? Abavumi ingoma zokusebenzisa ingoma yomuntu ama copyright so very gonna put this like on the vlog, you know. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, my nigga. Subscribe, my nigga. Nyazoralan, subscribe, bro. Subscribe. I'm vlogging. You're famous. So
Yeah, we are vlogging. Clock it. What is that?
Stop, baby love.
Hey, yo, guys, cheers to the driver. Clock it.